Hello and welcome to my accountancy class. Students, now we will start chapter 1 of our accountancy. The name of the chapter is Meaning and Objective of Accounting. Students, as you know, every businessman wanted to know that his business is earning profit or loss. How he can get this information from his business? If he has prepared the accounts very well, only then he can know the all information. A businessman wanted to know at the end of the year some information, that how much money he has invested in his in his business, how many assets are there, how many liabilities are in his business, how much money he has spent in his business, and because of that money how much profit he has earned. Not only profit all the time, he may have some losses also in his business. At the end, we can say businessman wanted to know his financial position of his business at the end of the year. But all these informations he came to know with the help of accountancy. If he has prepared his accounts very well, only then he can get to know all the information. First of all, I want to let you know that what is the meaning of accountancy or accounting. The definition of accounting is the process of identifying, measuring, recording, and communicating the required information relating to economic events to the interested users to help them make decisions. Students, now I'll make you clear this definition one by one. The first term, I have underlined the words also to make you clear. The first word is identifying. First of all, the businessman has to find out how much money he has spent in his business, how much money he has spent in his business. Then measuring. Measuring means in the terms of money. As we studied earlier, in the business we will record the things only which are related with money. Now we have to measure the things which are in terms of money. The next is recording. Now the third step is to record the things, record the transaction in the books of accounts which are in terms of money. The next is communicating. Communicating means we have to communicate the things to the related parties of the business. Now you came to know which are the related parties of the business. Many parties are related with the business. Like first of all, the owners. Owners wanted to know that how much profit his firm is earning. Then the banks. You know, banks are always provided us loans. Bank also wanted to know that our financial position is sound or not. Then the manager is that person who manages the whole business. If he came to know that his business is not earning profit, then he has to change his strategy of working to get profit, right? Employees also wanted to know that his firm's condition is good or not, if their future is secure there or not. Then the creditors are the person who provide credit to the firm. If the firm's condition is good, then they are regularly provide us the credit. If the firm condition is not good, then they will take their decisions. Right, students? They are the interested parties. The next word is economic events. As we started in the business, we will record only economic transactions. Economic means which thing is related with money, right? Those things which are not related with money. Suppose owner has a very good relation with the other industry. This thing is very good for the business, but this thing is not related, not created any economic event for the business. So we will not record this thing in our business, right? Then interested users, we have started to help them make decisions. If the interested parties have required data related with the firm, only then they are able to take the decision for the future, Right, students? I think now the definition is clear to you. Now we will proceed to the next topic is characteristics and features. We can call it attribute also. Right, now the first feature is accounting is an art as well as science. You know, students, in science, many fundamental principles and rules and regulations are there. While preparing the accounting, we have to follow some principles, rules, and regulation. That is the meaning of science. Now we'll come to the art. Art means presenting the things in a very well way. Under the science, we came to know the fundamental principles, rules, and regulation. When we apply all the things while preparing the accounts is called art. We learned in definition that accounting is the process of identifying, measuring, recording, and communicating. All these things comes under the category of art. Right? In art, you present the things in a very well way, in a very nice way. The next is recording in terms of money. Recording in terms of money, students, I'll make you clear this point with the help of an example. Suppose the business has purchased 50 chairs and 10 tables for the business. Definitely for this buying, for this purchasing, the firm has pay some money, and this will record in the books of accounts, because this transaction create economic transaction. Right, the next is recording of financial transaction only. This point is also related with the second point. Financial transaction only means sometime firm has some non-economic transaction in the firm also. Suppose there is fight between the employees and employees are going for the strike. These things affected the business a lot, but we will not record these things in our books of accounts because these things are not directly related with the money. Suppose we have an order for the business, but simply we have just an order. We have not executed that order. So we will not record that order in our books of accounts. I think this word is clear to you. The next is classifying. Classifying means segregation, separation. Under this point, we will classify, we will segregate the transaction in one group. Which transactions are same in nature? Suppose I have purchased some raw material from Mohan Traders. Again and again I have purchased material from Mohan Traders. The all transactions related with the Mohan Traders are recorded in Mohan's account. That is the meaning of classifying. The next is summarizing. Summarizing means presenting the data in simple and understandable form. What does it mean? Sometime while preparing the accounts, we use some technical terminology in our accounts, but that terminology is not understandable by the common man. Under the point summarizing, we will present our data in a very simple and understandable form so that interested parties can understand the data and make the decisions. Right, students? The next is interpretation of the result. Interpretation of the result means finally we have to interpret the result to its related parties. Once again, I let you know what are the related parties. The first is owners. Owners are much more interested in the financial position of the business because on the basis of profit and loss, they will take the decision to continue to pursue the business in future, right? The next is banks. Banks plays a very important role in providing the finance to the business. If the firm's condition is very sound, very good, then the bank will take the decision to continue the loans to the business. Then the manager will take the decision according to their profit and loss. Employees, because employees wants the prosperity and growth of the business. If the firm is getting more and more profit, then employees also feels happy because their future is safe there. Then the creditor also provide credit to the firms. If the firm's condition is good, then they will take the decision to remain with them. If the firm's condition is not good, then they will take some other decision also. Right, students? These are the characteristic of our accountancy. Right, now we'll move to its process. Process of accounting. Process of accounting, you know, students, in our business started with the transaction. First of all, our accounting cycle starts with the transaction. After the transaction, we will record this transaction in the journal. After journal, we will record these things. We will segregate the things in form of ledger, then trial balance, then trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet, and finally we will interpret the result to its interested parties. Students, I think enough for the day. We will read next topic in our next video. Thank you. Have a great day.